Abby and I'm 5 years old and I'm a Lorna Whiston student.
Hi, I'm Derek. I'm 36 years old. And I'm a Lorna Whiston alumnus.
What's an alumnus?
Alumnus means that I went to Lorna Whiston too, very long time ago.
Wow, what do you remember when you learned in school?
I remember learning how to communicate and how to talk to people effectively. What about you, Abby? What do you love most about your classes at Lorna Whiston?
I love reading stories with my teachers.
Really? What's your favorite book?
The Gruffalo.
Oh wow, that's my favorite book too.
Did what you learned at Lorna Whiston help you?
Oh, definitely. I make a lot of presentations to clients and Lorna Whiston has definitely helped me do that more confidently. So Abby, how has Lorna Whiston helped you?
Being at Lorna Whiston makes me more confident.
Did you ever ask your mommy why she sent you to Lorna Whiston?
No.
Okay, look at me. Take a deep breath first.